Welcome to Math Nexus, where numbers speak and knowledge grows.
Look at the question. Use the substitution method to solve the simultaneous linear equation 2x plus y equal to 3 and 3x minus 2y equal to 1. This is equation first and this is equation second. From equation first, we get y equal to 3 minus 2x. This is equation 3. Substituting the value of y in equation second, we get 3x minus 2 into 3 minus 2x equal to 1. Open the bracket. 3x minus 6 plus 4x equal to 1. This is equal to 7x minus 6 equal to 1. Now adding 6 on both sides, 7x minus 6 plus 6 equal to 1 plus 6. 7x equal to 7. Dividing both sides on this coefficient, 7 upon 7x equal to 7 upon 7, x equal to 1. Now substitute the value of x in equation 3. Y equal to 3 minus 2 into 1. 2 into 1, 2. 3 minus 2 equal to 1. Hence, the solution set of this linear equation is x equal to 1 and y equal to 1. Look at the question. Use the substitution method to solve the simultaneous linear equation, which is 13x minus 6y equal to 20. This is equation first. And 7x plus 4y equal to 18. This is equation second. From equation first, we get 13x equal to 20 plus 6y. Divide both sides on this coefficient, 13 upon 13 equal to 20 plus 6y upon 13. X equal to 20 plus 6y upon 13. This is equation 3. Substituting the value of x in equation second, we get 7 into 20 plus 6y upon 13 plus 4y equal to 18. Open the bracket. 7 2s are 140 plus 42y upon 13 plus 4y equal to 18. Now 140 plus 42y plus 52y, 13 4s are 52 upon 13 equal to 18. Now multiply both sides on 13, 13 upon 13 into 140 plus 94y equal to 18 into 13. This is equal to 140 plus 94y equal to 234. Now subtracting 140 from both sides, 140 minus 140 plus 94y equal to 234 minus 140. 94y equal to 94. Divide both sides on this coefficient. 94 upon 94y equal to 94 upon 94, y equal to 1. Now substitute the value of y in equation 3. We get x equal to 20 plus 6 into 1 upon 13. This is equal to 26 upon 13. 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26. X equal to 2. Hence, the solution set of this simultaneous linear equation is x equal to 2 and y equal to. Look at the question. Use the substitution method to solve the simultaneous linear equation x plus y equal to 3. This is equation first. X minus y equal to 7. This is equation second. From equation first, we get x equal to 3 minus y. This becomes equation 3. Substituting the value of x in equation second, we get 3 minus y equal to 7. 3 minus 2y equal to 7. Subtracting 3 from both sides, 3 minus 2y equal to 7 minus 3 minus 2y equal to 4. Now divide both sides on this coefficient, minus 2 upon minus 2, y equal to 4 upon minus 2, y equal to minus 2, y equal to minus 2. Now substitute the value of y in equation 3, we get x equal to 3 minus 2, 3 plus 2, x equal to 5. Hence, the solution set of this simultaneous linear equation is x equal to 5 and y equal to minus 2. Look at the question. Use the substitution method to solve the simultaneous linear equation x plus y upon 2 equal to 4. This is equation first. X upon 3 plus 2y equal to 5. This is equation 2. From equation first, we get x equal to 4 minus y upon 2. This becomes equation 3. Substituting the value of x in equation second, we get 4 minus y upon 2 upon 3 plus 2y equal to 5. This is equal to 8 minus y upon 6 plus 2y equal to 5. Now multiply by 6. 8 minus y plus 6 2s are 12 upon 6 equal to 5. Now multiply both sides by 6 on both sides. 6 upon 6 equal to 8 plus 11y equal to 5 into 6. 8 plus 11y equal to 30. This will be cancelled. Subtract 8 from both sides. 8 minus 8 plus 11y equal to 30 minus 8. This is equal to 11y equal to 22. Now divide both sides on this coefficient. 11 upon 11y equal to 22 upon 11. Y equal to 22 upon 11 equal to 2. Now substitute the value of y in equation 3. We get x equal to 4 minus 2 upon 2 equal to 4 minus 1 equal to 3. Hence, the solution set of this simultaneous linear equation is x equal to 3 and y equal to, look at this question, 3x minus 2y minus 9 equal to 0, 2x minus 2y minus 7 equal to 0. We can write this equation as 3x minus 2y equal to 9 and 2x minus 2y equal to 7. This is equation first and this is equation second. From equation second, we get 2x equal to 7 plus 2y. Divide both sides on this coefficient. 2 upon 2, x equal to 7 plus 2y upon 2. X equal to 7 plus 2y upon 2. This becomes equation 3. Now, substituting the value of x in equation first, we get 3 into 7 plus 2y upon 2 minus 2y equal to 9. This is equal to 21 plus 6y upon 2 minus 2y equal to 9. This is equal to 21 plus 6y, 2 2s are 4 upon 2 equal to 9. 21 plus 2y, 6 minus 4y equal to 2y upon 2 equal to 9. Multiply both sides by 2. 2 upon 2 equal to 21 plus 2y equal to 9 into 2. 21 plus 2y equal to 18. Now subtracting 21 from both sides. 21 minus 21 plus 2y equal to 18 minus 21. 2y equal to minus 3 and y equal to minus 3 upon 2. Now substitute the value of y in equation number 3. X equal to 7 plus 2 into minus 3 upon 2 whole upon 2. This is equal to 7 minus 3 upon 2, 4 upon 2 means 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. X equal to 2 and y equal to minus 3 upon 2. This is the solution set of this linear equation.
Thank you for watching this video. Stay curious with Math Nexus.